Small changes in plants can sometimes signal a bigger problem. Research often links this condition to Chaetanaphothrips, signipennis. Plants experiencing this issue may show signs such as infestation can occur at any stage of growth and can be seen on leaves, stems, and fruit. Adult beetles and larvae usually settle behind the base of the leaf sheath. Pupae live in colonies and feed by sucking plant sap with their mouth parts. Initial symptoms manifest as watery areas on the fruit. Over time, these areas give the fruit a very characteristic rusty appearance, with the skin turning dark red to dark brown. Usually, damage is only visible on the skin, but in heavily infested plants, the entire fruit may show signs of damage. On more mature fruit, cracks may be visible. Sometimes the fruit bursts open. Infected fruit clusters in the early stages of development usually suffer the most damage. Several factors can contribute to this, including the symptoms described above are primarily caused by the thrips Chaetanaphothrips, signipennis, but other species may also be involved, such as thrips cadalophyllus. This pest is usually transmitted through infected plant parts or, to a lesser extent, directly from plant to plant. Adult thrips are slender, yellowish-brown, about 1.3 mm in size, and have narrow fringed wings with two dark regions on the forewings. Females lay small eggs, invisible to the naked eye, under leaf sheaths and where fruit touches the plant. After about 7 days, wingless, cream-colored larvae hatch. They grow to adult size within about 7 days. Then, they migrate to the ground, enter the soil where plants are growing, and develop into pupae. After another 7 to 10 days, a new generation of adult thrips forms. The thrips can have multiple generations per year. In hot and humid weather, their population numbers can peak. You may first try organic solutions like parasitic insects belonging to the order Chrysopidae and ladybugs can be used to control this pest. Some ants can also be effective, attacking pupae in the soil. If you are unsure that the seedlings come from a healthy source, hot water treatment may help reduce the risk of infection. In more advanced situations, treatments may involve, if possible, always consider a combination of preventative and biological treatments. If pesticides are necessary, spray the soil to kill pupae, as well as spray the plants and fruit to kill adult beetles. This may be the only way to avoid reinfestation. To help protect plants from this issue, use healthy plants from certified sources. Remove stray plants and avoid planting host plants around the main crop field. Visit the field and inspect crops regularly for any signs of pest infestation. Wrap fruit bunches early to protect the plants. Remove infested plants and destroy them by burning. Eliminate abandoned planting areas as they can serve as a source of pest spread. Overall, remember that adult beetle colonies and pupae can be found on leaves, stems, and fruit. Damage from insect bites manifests as watery areas on the fruit. The spots turn into rusty, rough patches that may change from dark red to dark brown and cover the entire fruit peel. Mature fruit may also have cracks or split open. Follow the channel for more plant care knowledge.